Dua and Taha, linking learning with fun.
Hello, everyone. Good morning to all of you. Honorable dignitaries and respected guests, I warmly welcome you all. Today, I feel very happy to speak in front of you. My topic today is discipline. Discipline is one of the most important qualities in life. It helps people become successful and responsible. Discipline means doing the right thing at the right time. It means staying committed to our responsibilities. Many people think discipline is only about rules, but discipline is actually a way to build a better life. Every successful person follows discipline. Success always comes with hard work and discipline.
Think about an athlete who wants to win a championship. The athlete practices every single day.
He wakes up early and trains regularly. This daily effort is called discipline. Discipline helps us improve step by step. It builds patience, responsibility, and self-control. Sometimes discipline feels difficult. We may feel lazy or distracted. Sometimes we want to delay our work. Sometimes we choose the easier path. But disciplined people control these distractions. They stay focused on their goals. Discipline is not about being perfect. It is about improving every single day. Small daily habits create big success. Little efforts can change our future. Discipline is like a bridge between dreams and success. It helps turn dreams into reality. Without discipline, dreams remain only dreams. But with discipline, dreams become real.
So let us promise ourselves today, we will follow discipline in our lives.
Let us respect time and stay focused. Let us work hard for our goals. If we practice discipline today, we will build a successful future tomorrow. If we respect time and work sincerely, success will surely come to us. Discipline today creates success tomorrow. Thank you, everyone, for listening.